Starting a new vlog, and this is a Bambu Lab 3D printer. I have no voice. I do have a 3D printer, but this is the Bambu Lab 3D printer H2D. We're gonna set it up. So I saw online that we can get printing within 20 minutes. So this is what we're gonna print first. This is a plate mount that I designed. So we're gonna put some springs here. So this is the AMS2 Pro, and it's supposed to help dry the filament, and it just connects straight to the back.
So the AMS2 Pro and AMS HD, ma'am, is kailangan din niya pong i-update.
Okay.
Hindi lang po yung printer.
Okay.
Bambu Lab H2D is kahit na nasa labas ka, makikita niya po na kung ano nangyayari sa loob ng machine.
Like, that's your office?
Yes po.
Are you printing anything? Wala.
Okay. So, that's A1 Mini.
Wow.
And,
magsabi kang with the monitor.
yes po. Send.
It's done. I made a mistake. Pull the plate. Failed. But I have an idea. Okay, second print. Oh, crispy. This is much easier to clean than the first one. And it's cleaner. The moment of truth. Will it sleeve? Oh, it made it too exact. Okay, I need to increase the size or most. Oh wow. Press fit. Ang tolerance ko 0.2. Late down. This is so interesting. This is take 4 of my plate mount with a spring clip. Let's see how it went. Oh my god. It's so addictive. Fresh off the printer plate. Still very warm. There you go. So, will it sleeve? This is the 4th reiteration because something about my measurements on Shaper 3D that's a little off. This looks like the best one yet. Okay, microplastic discard, that's for sure. Okay, is it gonna work? There's a cavity that... that's so cool. Okay, the general idea is to mount this here. Oh no, I broke the ear saw. Okay, I need to improve that. But this is PLA. But basically, put a spring here, and this will clip onto the stock plate. Gotta go back to the drawing board and reinforce that a little more. Getting there. 4th's a charm. Anyway, we're gonna print one more file. Hopefully that's gonna work without a hitch. Okay, so this is the plate mount here. Let's sync the printer. Set. Rush printed this plate mount. It's almost done. 3 minutes and we're good to go. This is crazy. Just a while ago, this was a concept in my brain and now it's an actual physical product. How insane. I can't wait to test fit it. Okay. After 3 hours. Ooh. Close that to keep it warm because we're gonna keep printing. Ooh. Yes. Ooh. Boom. Okay. Let's go. Oh no! I just made it a little too wide because I made a wall sticker and my toe hook is not centered. Alright. With some finessing, I got it to work. So I'm going to mount my plate and head home. I left the 3D printer printing overnight. This was a 13-hour print and these are the desiccant trays for the dryer and then the poop chute for the back. So I'm gonna take that out. This is getting addicting. Okay, line up another print. Look what I left printing all weekend. I had to change filament to PLA Plus because I ran out of this. But it's been done. It's like a day and something. This is a Stormtrooper helmet and it needs some polishing, but look at it. Such a nice prop to have. That is way cool. You can see here my filament change, different color also. This is the PLA, this is the PLA Plus. But I think if we just sand it down and paint it, we'll be good to go. So much detail that you can't get from just doing fiberglass. The whole idea is that we don't need any spacer here. I'm gonna go to the car now and see if it fits. This is the tow hook that we're trying to fit in, and this is supposed to be a tighter fit. Wow, that is so tight. Let me push it in. Oop, I heard that crap. I don't know if it has a curing time. This press fit talaga. Ooh!